everyone, JaLingo's proverb of the week is Puss and dog don't have the same look. This means a cat and a dog don't have the same look. Other meanings: what will work for me won't necessarily work for you. Some people are luckier than others. What some people may get away with may be a detriment to another person. And favoritism will influence the outcome of some situations. An example of this: you don't know Kevin, so make sure you take up your book and study for your exam then, because Puss and dog don't have the same look. This means you are not Kevin, so make sure you study for your exams, because what works for him may not necessarily work for you. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.